I hate when I be trying to record in the car and people be all in my car. I need to tint these windows because why is y'all looking at me? Hey Chalk Nation, it's your girl Chalk and I am back with another video. I'm in the car waiting for my mom to come out the store, but when I tell y'all, every single nail set in this haul is fire. Every single set in this haul is fire. Okay, let me calm down because that was way too loud. But I hope y'all enjoy this haul. Matter of fact, I know you're going to enjoy this haul. Everything in this haul has the element of gold. Even the nails have a little gold in them. And then I have some accessories and phone cases that I picked up from SHEIN. So I'm not even gonna hold y'all too long. I know y'all got things to do, so let's jump right on into the haul. Y'all, this set right here, let's get into it. This is what it was giving on the SHEIN app. This set of nails is $3.70. It comes with 24 nails in the pack, so you have multiple nails to choose your nail sizes from to fit your nail beds. It's a long square shape. They are a peachy pink and like a yellow and orange tip with tiger stripes on it. And girl, the set is giving exactly what was supposed to be given. Now this is a mixy set. It's not a matchy set, and what I mean by that is both of your hands are not going to have the same exact nails on them. Outside of the ones that have the tiger stripe on the tips, the ones that have the gold and the bling and the nail art on them, there's not too many of those in there, so you're gonna have to mix them up and match them up however you please. But this set is definitely giving. Now this set right here might be my favorite set of this haul. Let's get into it. It was $4. It comes with 24 nails. It is currently sold out. I knew this set was gonna go quick because look at it. It is so bomb. Okay, it is a long square shape. There is so much bling going on these nails. You have some with the gold French tip, you have some with a blue French tip, you have some with the blue French tip and a blue flower on it with gold bling in the center of the flower. And get into that pinky nail. So I actually sized my fingers, and this is the set that I came up with after sizing all my fingers and putting the nails together. So this is exactly how I would apply this set. But let's study this pinky nail a little bit further, because look at all the clusters of bling on this nail. Okay, you got golden stars, you have a blinged out heart, you have a blinged out butterfly, the little dangling heart on the tip. That is so tea. And what would a haul be if I didn't get a couple of phone cases for my phone? This one was $1.88, and I got it because I loved all the gold grills that's on this phone case. I love the nails and the hands. I actually have that nail set with the cow print and the blue clouds that's in the center of the phone case. So this just fit right on into the whole gold theme of this haul, and it is so cute. Now this next gold set right here is definitely giving whimsical vibes. It was $2.90. It is currently sold out as well, and I really hate that for y'all because this set is so cute. But the good thing about SHEIN is they do restock pretty quickly, so you just have to check back periodically to see. You can always refer back to my video and click the link that I'm going to leave in the description. By the way, all the sets from this haul will be in the description of this video, so make sure you guys check the description box. But back to this set. So the gold details on these nails are so beautiful. I sized my nails, and this is the set that I picked out and how I would apply it if I was applying these nails, and I cannot wait to apply this set.
So the next item that I got in this haul is a really gold iPhone phone case for my phone. It's $2.90. I love how it's like waves of gold. It's kind of like a wavy gold phone case, which is really cute. So I just went on and added it to the haul as well. Now let's get into this next set. It is a long stiletto shape. It's $2.29. Comes with 24 nails, a nail file, and nail stickers as well. It is pink and gold with a little bit of like pearl white, and I love that because pearl white and gold goes so well, and then the pink element added to it just gives the set a little flair and a pop of color. I love how the gold on the nails is not just flat. I love that it's like a 3D look. It makes the nails look very expensive, like you just went to the nail salon, which is what we always want to give. I matched the nails to my nail sizes, and this is exactly how I would put that set on, just like that. So I still be having my toes out. It's still hot out here. We ain't had no fall weather since September hit, and we probably not gonna get none until November. So I will most definitely be still wearing sandals. So I had to get me some toe rings because I just like a little bling on my toes. I feel like when my toes are freshly done and I got my gold toe rings on, my feet just be looking so cute. I ain't really got no cute feet like that, so I'll be having to bedazzle them a little bit with some toe rings. Child, this set right here, let's get into it. Okay, it's $4. Comes with 24 nails, nail stickers, and a nail file as well. These nails are so well made. They are a long stiletto shape, and I don't know if this blue and gold set is my favorite one or if the first one I showed y'all is my favorite, but between these two sets, I was like, yes, SHEIN, because these are so bomb. Like, get into the details. The nails that have that shell, 3D shell design on them is so well made. It looks like a nail tech made them. The gold nails with the pearls, I mean, the chunky diamonds in the center of the nails, the little turtle that's on the shell nail, like this whole set is just tea. If SHEIN keep making nails like these, I'm never going back to the nail salon. I have not stepped foot in a nail salon since 2020 when I first started doing my own nails. And I don't plan to. Like, why would I when I'm getting such quality nails for such a great deal? So these are anklets. I just got some really simple gold anklets. And then I also got me a gold Apple Watch band. I love this band. Y'all know I'm an Apple Watch girly. I'm always switching out my Apple Watch band. And this one stood out to me because I loved the bling that's on the watch band with the blinged out hearts. And then you have like a little locket. And then you have like a key. And it's just super cute. You can also get it in silver, I believe, as well. So if you're not a gold girly, they do have it in silver. So don't forget to check the description box. And let's get into this set because I love how it's like that tortoise shell kind of look. This is what it was given on the app. These are $2.84. And you have gold details. You have like a tortoise shell on some of them are like teal with gold designs on them. Some of them just have the gold around the edges of the nails. Like, this set, it has a lot going on too. This set is also not very matchy. Each hand is going to have different nails, but the colors all go together, so the whole set is going to go together no matter what. Me personally, I like the mixy sets. I like to switch it up and have fun with my nails sometimes, and you have multiple options to choose from, so just have fun with your nails. That's the beauty of press-on nails. You can really have fun and mix and match and put everything all together, and it just comes out cute. And you have my tutorials to refer to if you're not sure how to put them on. I have plenty videos on my channel showing you guys how I applied my nails with different glues and different methods. So make sure you guys just go through my channel and check out all my videos. Drop a comment and let me know what was your favorite set from this haul. And make sure you give this video a like. And if you are watching this video and you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. You are going to love it here and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you know when the next video is dropping. Shout out to all my new subscribers. We hit 3K subscribers and I am so thankful for each and every one of you guys, and I will be doing a giveaway soon, so make sure you guys stay tuned to my channel so you do not miss when I'm doing the giveaway. I'm going to give away some nails and I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.